Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Madison. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring free Wi-Fi, Super 8 Madison offers pet-friendly accommodations in Madison. Guests can enjoy the on-site bar. Each room includes a private bathroom fitted with a bath or shower. A TV with cable channels is provided. There is a 24-hour front desk, dry cleaning services and shops at the property. Foss Field Airport is 35 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.